Now the another circular function, let's suppose omega is equal to cos inverse of z, or this implies that z is equal to cos of omega or cos of w. Z is any complex number. If I change this to in term of Euler identity or Euler equation or in polar form, so cos of omega is equal to e power iota omega plus e power negative iota omega with whole divided by 2. Now multiplying 2 on both sides of this equation, then it will be 2z is equal to e power iota omega plus e power negative iota omega. If I multiply e power iota omega on both sides of this equation, then it will be e power iota omega with the 2z and e power iota omega multiplied with e power iota omega. This term will be e power iota omega whole square, and this term will be 1 because e power iota omega multiplied with e power negative iota omega is equal to e power 0 equal to 1. So by shifting this term to this side, this equation will be e power iota omega whole square. With this term will be negative, so e power iota omega with 2z minus 1. So the equation is now in quadratic equation form. So e power iota omega whole square minus 2z e power iota omega minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation with variable e power iota omega. Now if I solve this quadratic equation with the help of factorization or quadratic formula of completing the square method, then the equation will be same as well if I solve this equation for the variable e power iota omega with the help of quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, and the variable is e power iota omega and minus b, so minus into minus 2z, it is 2z plus minus b square equal to 2z minus 2z, so it is 4z square minus 4 into 1 because a equal to 1 and c equal to negative 1. So this is equal to 2 into 1. So e power iota omega is equal to 2z plus minus 4z square minus 1 divided by 2. So e power iota omega, and this term is 4 multiplied with this minus 1, so it is minus 4 minus with this minus is plus, so it is plus 4. If I common 4 from these two terms and here is square root, so 4 square root equal to 2, so it will be 2z plus minus 2 into z square minus 1 divided by 2. So the term will be e power iota omega is equal to 2 into z plus minus z into square root of z minus x square divided by 2. Z 2 cancel out with this 2. Now e power iota omega is equal to z plus minus z square minus 1. Now the term square root of z square minus 1 is with plus and minus, where 1 minus z square, it is 1 minus z square. Sorry, it is not z square minus 1, it is it is not 1 minus z square, it is z square minus 1. So square root of z square minus 1 takes two value for z not equal to 1. Moreover, minus into square root of z square minus 1 assume the same value is square root of z square minus 1. So the equation will be e power iota omega is equal to z plus minus, sorry, it is plus z square minus 1. If I take log on both sides, then omega is equal to log of z plus square root of z square minus 1, and omega is equal to here from this equation cos inverse of z. So cos inverse of z is equal to log of z plus z square minus 1 under the root. So this is the formula that cos inverse of z is equal to log of z plus square root of z square minus 1. This is the formula.